I'm gonna start off by doing my base, and I'm gonna be using the Drunk Elephant Umbra Tinte Physical Daily Defense. It has an SPF of 30. Next, I'm just gonna be using this Makeover Sky Color Stick Matte Crayon. I'm just gonna dab it on some parts of my acne scars. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Solaso Perfecting Cushion Brightening. It's in the shade 21. Thing is, I lost the cushion thing, so I'm just going to be grabbing the product straight with my hand. Then I'm just going to be using with a buffing brush. It's the 001. It's from Real Technique. And for the concealer, I'm using the Etude House Big Cover Concealer Cushion. To be honest, it's not my favorite product, but it's not bad either. It's just I can't get my hands on another Korean concealer right now. Or actually, I just can't get my hand on any other concealer right now. So I'm not going to use too much concealer. I'm just going to be using that much on my hand. The left of that product that's on my hand from the concealer, and just lightly just put a little bit on your eyelids. This will act as a primer for your eyeshadow. I'm going to contour my face just to give it a little bit of warmth. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Walnut. So for today's eyeshadow, I'm going to be using 3CE Style Nanda Sparkling Liquid Pigment. It's in the shade Joyful. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna grab my Zoeva 225 Lux Eye Blender. I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession, and I'm gonna be grabbing the shade right here. What I'm going to be doing next, I'm just going to be grabbing my Spectrum VO4 brush, and I'm going to use my 3CE Style Nanda eyeshadow palette. It's the Sienna palette, and I'm going to be using this sparkly brown shade. Then I'm going to be using my Morphe M515 brush. It's a very small blending brush. Just going to be grabbing that darker brown shade. So now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use a pencil eyeliner to just lightly outline my eye. I'm using the Innisfree Always New Alto Liner. This is in the shade, I'm not sure, but it's brown. I prefer to use brown. Before I put on my fake lashes, I'm just gonna lightly clip my lashes first. Basically, these are my lashes. It's the end of the tweezers to just push them upwards. Keep pushing them until they really stick. Using the Kate Tokyo Super Sharp Eyeliner X 2.0. And this is in the shade brown. I'm just gonna grab a mascara and then just lightly put mascara on top. So for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Kate Tokyo Lash Former Long. It's in waterproof. Now that I'm done with the eye makeup, I'm going to be using the same thing I used to color correct my acne scars earlier. I'm going to be using the same lipstick. And next I'm going to be using 3CE Style Nanda, the Back to Baby Glow Beam. And as another finishing touch to the eyeshadow, because I want it to be really sparkly, I'm going to use the Innisfree's eyeshadow. It's the Mineral Single Shadow Glitter. It is in the shade. And then I'm gonna grab some translucent powder. Mine's from Laura Mercier. That's the translucent powder that everyone knows of. And I'm just... I grabbed a brown shade from my Morphe 3501 palette because I've ran out of bronzer. I'm just gonna... And finally, I'm just gonna be going in with my lips. I'm grabbing the Peri Pera Sugar Jelly in the shade. It's shade number 4. I'm going to be using the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray.